Welcome to the world of telemedicine with one of our innovative products, Hubis Telemedicine Station. We are excited to present to you our fascinating first receiver device for medical prevention and diagnosis. Before logging in with your username and password, make sure that you have already activated your personal medical record at GENERALI medicalrecord.bg. Measure your height and weight. Step on the scale with straightened posture and stand still. Measure your temperature with the infrared thermometer. Aim it on your forehead properly. When the measurement is completed, press the temp label on the touchscreen. Take the spirometer and turn it on, and put it on the plastic mouthpiece. Exhale all the air in your lungs as fast as possible in the least time. Now press the FVC label on the touchscreen. The measurement data will appear after some seconds. Blood glucose measurement. Make sure the finger blood circulation is good. Before collecting blood sample from your fingertip, sterilize it. Unscrew the lancing device and insert the lancet in the lancing device. Press the button to take the blood collection. Take the test strip out and insert it into the device. After finishing the blood collection, the result will be displayed within 25 or 30 seconds. Immerse the strip into the urine sample for 2 or 3 seconds. Side-lay the strip on absorbent paper for draining off the extra urine. Lay the strip into the groove of strip tray. Hold position and push it to the top of the groove. Sit on the chair. Rest your pre-exposed limbs firmly against the electrodes. Put the blood pressure cuff on your arm. The lower end of the cuff shall be 1 or 2 centimeters higher than the elbow. Make sure the cuff is entirely deflated and that it wraps your arm neither tightly or loosely. Tightness or looseness can adversely affect the measurement result. Insert your finger into the pulse oximeter. Stand still and wait until measurements end. All the results will be displayed on the screen. This is Hubis Telemedicine Station. All the measurements are saved in your medical record and must be consulted with the proper medical specialist.
GENERALI застраховане. Партньор за цял живот.